Oh, there's another one. You want to put him in the basket? Oh, let's look for another. Where's the next one? Where's it going? Is that another one right there?
Oh, hi.
Oh, okay. Where's the next one? Where's it going? Yeah, good job. Yeah. Where's it? Oh, is there more over there? Follow it. Where is it going? Where's it going?
Go get it.
Where's it? Oh, is there another one? Follow them. Where are they going? Where's the next one? Is that another one? Where's it going? You want to put them in here? Get that one. Where's it going?
Oh, you missed one, honey.
Get him.
Whoa, what's that?
What's under your blanket? What's under your blanket?
What's underneath there?
Go
Pull
look.
your blanket off. See what's underneath it.
Pig,
Go.
Oh, look at the carrot led right to your blanket. Go pull it off.
Go pull it off.
pull that blanket off. What's underneath there?
Pull it off. Pull it off.
Your mommy help you?
Oh.
Whoa!
Is there stuff in there for you? Pull
What's
it out.
in there?
Annabelle, what's in the bin? What's in the bin?
Can we take it out? See what's in there?
Is that for you?
Oh, pretty.
What is that?
Oh.
Is that Minnie?
What's that?
Is that a flamingo?
Oh.
Want me to open it? Keep
Cool.
going. What else is
What
in
else
there?
is in there?
You got paints? Wow. What else is in there? What else is in there? What's in these? Can you open it? Open it up. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. What's in it?
Yeah.
What you got in there?
What's
Let
in
me see.
there?
Can Nana see?
What's in there?
Candy in there?
Whoa.
Wow.
You can eat that if you
You
want.
can eat it. It's
Let me hold your
candy.
binky while you eat it.
Oh, it's good. It's candy. You can eat it. Did the Easter Bunny leave it for you?
Here, just stick that in your mouth and hold it for
Thank
me.
you. Go ahead.
Yummy.
Good? Mm. What else is in your bin? Oh my goodness, there's more. There's eggs everywhere.
You gotta
I
have.
have to find them all.
You gotta have to put her in her bunny. Yep, put them in the bunny when you're all done.
Bunny.
What else is in your little bag there?
What else is in there? There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. Are those good? Put it in
Are they
there.
all gone? Here, close it up and put it in there.
I got it. I'll close it.
Whoa.
Okay, right there.
Is that yummy?
Are there more eggs? Put that one in here. Oh, what are those ones? Flamingo?
What else is in your little bag there?
What
Your little
else is in
tote.
here?
Can you show Nana what's in there?
That's another egg?
Go grab it.
Go get it. What's in there?
Whoa.
You still ready to leave your treats? You can eat them.
Did the Easter Bunny come? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Juliet,
Another
yeah.
country heard from.
Yep.
She's been sleeping since she went upstairs. Is that good?